Hey everybody, it's Matt at Stokes Music Studios. Today we're going to learn primary chords in the key of E. But this is also a great way for you to practice any chord changes that you need to get better at. So here we go. So the idea here is that instead of just flopping our fingers around on chords randomly, we want to get some time or metronome into our practice. You may have noticed I'm not strumming these chords. That's a loop play, and I made this loop, and there's 4 beats in between each chord. So what you want to do is count out loud. I'll put some prompts on the screen now to help you count out loud, and we're going to be changing on beat 1 like this. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. At first, keep counting everybody. At first, your hand may need to start moving during those 4 beats that you're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. The idea is to be there on beat 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So if you need to start looking for your chord as soon as you strum down, then so be it. You go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Keep counting everybody. Practicing now. We're getting some really good practice with some time using our metronome. Now if you did this with just a metronome without this loop track playing and you were new to guitar, there would be some silence or some dead time while you just count and find your chord. That would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I'm searching for my chord while I count. 2, 3, 4. But I made this rhythm track to help you, so you can practice along with this for as long as you would like. But you guessed what the next step is already, and the next step is to do the same thing we're doing right now, but in only 3 beats. And then you want to do it in only 2 beats. And finally, you want to do it in 1 beat, and then you can start speeding that up if you need to get even faster at your chord changes. But I've found that once you get to 1 beat, well, then you're ready to handle most songs that contain that chord change. So I hope you've learned something about practicing chord changes. I hope you're still counting out loud and still practicing these chords while I'm talking to you. That makes us practice partners, alright? I'm going to keep practicing myself, and we'll see you in the next video. Please comment if you're watching this video and let us know that you watched it. Say, hey, I watched your video. That's all you got to say. Or I liked your video. Or you can even say, I didn't like your video. Whatever you want to say. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. And thanks to all our students in Greer. And we're ready to teach you one-on-one lessons. We can even do that online. We've got a staff of teachers ready to teach you piano, guitar, drums, ukulele, voice. So get in touch with us, and we'd love to help you on your journey, okay? 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. B7.